The next section on your worksheet is crosshatching. And again, I'm going to start with my colored pencil, nice sharp tip. Crosshatching is very similar to hatching. You're going to go in one direction first. Fill in the rectangle. Turn your pencil as you work. Sharpen your pencil as you work. The only difference between hatching and crosshatching is the direction of the next set of lines that I'm going to create. I'm going to go in the opposite direction. And sometimes it's easier to just turn the paper because your hand naturally wants to go in a certain direction. So now I'm going in the opposite direction. I'm crossing over my hatch mark lines, which is why it's called crosshatching. The more lines, the darker the value will be in colored pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Pull the value out like I showed you with the hatching value scale. Don't get lazy. I could even go a third direction if I wanted to, as long as your hatch mark lines are crossing over each other and you can see the lines. That's another key. Well, my sharpener just broke my tip. I'm going to go on to my regular pencil now. If I do not keep a sharpened tip on my pencil, sharpened tip on my colored pencil or regular pencil, you are not going to be able to see the individual lines. And I will know as a teacher, as an artist, that you did not keep a sharpened pencil. You want to see the individual lines. You want to be able to make out all of the hatch mark and cross hatching sections. Also, as a teacher, how do I know you know how to crosshatch if I can't see the lines being crosshatched? You have to make it apparent to me that you know what you're doing, so I do not doubt it while I'm grading your sheets. In the end, you'll see all of my values will be dark on the left and all of my values will be the lightest on the right-hand side, and it will gradually go from dark to light when this is done. But it would be a very, very boring video if I showed you it from start to finish, unless I had time lapse, which I don't with this document camera, unfortunately, because that would be cool. And then I could play a really cool song in the background, or a really annoying one, like the Pokemon song. And that's how you will crosshatch.